So how do you change the iPad's name for AirDrop? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Right, so usually people go to the general section of their settings and to the AirDrop, but there you only have the regular settings of like receiving off or if you want to be visible to contacts or everyone. But to change the name for AirDrop, you need to change the name of your whole iPad. This can be found in the general settings, but at the top you click on About. And literally the first thing is the name, right? So you can tap on it and it change it to be something else, right? So it's not the name of the owner of the iPad, but it's the name of the specific device. This is used, as you can tell, for the AirDrop, but also for other purposes. Like if you're using the Find My network to locate your devices on a map, this is going to be the name of this device. Also, if you want to share the cellular network through personal hotspot, well, this is going to be the name of the Wi-Fi network, right? So this has multiple different purposes, but again, if you want to be visible through AirDrop under a different name, this is where you can find it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and most definitely stay tuned by subscribing to this channel, and you are not going to miss anything important in the future. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.